guess what? This country is the largest exporter of honey in the world. 12%. Look at the market size of honey, 2.18 billion. 12% of that market is in the hand of one country. Imagine the number of people that have been hired down the value chain. You know 1 billion now in Nigeria is how much? Look at this. US import is about $3 trillion. African import from the US import from Africa just about 40 billion. So roughly about 1%. 1%. So if African trade in terms of export to the US is about 1%, why should we be worried about whatever tariff is being given to us? 26 trillion. Total trade in the world is what? 33 trillion. We're very more familiar with this. The fact that 75 crude oil, about 15 gas. So about 90% of exports is crude oil and gas. And if you expand that to see the other, crude oil and gas, this is generally Nigerian export, but this is also particular to the US. Nigerian export is about $60 billion. So 10% of Nigerian export is going to be US, and about 90% of that is crude oil and gas.